One city, one building, many apartments, and many residents. Meet the Beck family. They're moving into the building and have just received the key. The family is looking forward to their new home and is eager to get settled in. But before that, there are a few things they need to do. First, they and GESOBAU will read the electricity and gas meters before the move. Now the Beck family can decide which electricity and gas providers they want. At the handover, the family receives a document confirming their new place of residence, the tenancy confirmation. Max has already made an appointment with the local council to register the 3 family members. The new address is important for banks, insurers, and the job centre, so Max has informed them all about the change of address. The Becks pay their rent with a SEPA direct debit mandate, which automatically withdraws money from their account each month. It's automatic, punctual, and convenient. The Beck family have also paid the deposit. So there's nothing more to worry about. Oops! Romy almost damaged a neighbour's car while moving. Luckily, it was all fine, but to be on the safe side, the Beck family has taken out liability insurance. They also have contents insurance for their own belongings in the apartment and the cellar. Max has already started arranging the apartment the way he wants it. When the apartment was handed over, he asked what he's allowed to change. For example, putting up a sunshade without drilling holes is no problem if the lessor agrees. And for other questions and concerns, there's the GESOBAU app, the caretaker, or customer support. Now it's 8 p.m. The Beck family have read the house rules and, like good neighbours, they respect the quiet periods. So, no more DIY today. Time for a nice evening on the balcony. You can find more information in your house rules and the tenant's guide. Together, we can make a difference.